The Citizens Brigade Band of Dasmariñas was founded by a non-governmental organization known as the Citizens Brigade of Dasmariñas, an organization dedicated to assisting fellow residents of Dasmariñas through various projects. While the primary objective initially centered on preserving the tradition of marching bands in Dasmariñas, over time, the band has evolved and come to represent the city on the various competitive stages. One of the most noteworthy achievements was the victory on the Araw ng Maynila competition in year 2000, where they are acclaimed as champions. The Citizens Brigade of Dasmariñas has not limited